Kalau kita bisa menyelaraskan diri dengan Mother Nature, that's a battery. Ya, battery yang inexhaustible, nggak bisa habis. Prana kita terbatas. Kalau kita bisa plug in ke Mother Nature, you don't need anything else. Krisis ekonomi itu sudah terjadi, bukannya akan terjadi, sudah terjadi. Tanggal 21 Desember, banyak sekali negara-negara Eropa sudah mewanti-wanti penduduknya, warganya, bahwa winter this time is going to be very serious. Kalau perang tidak selesai, mereka tidak punya gas supply. There will be no electricity. In many countries in Europe, they have already given announcement that electricity will be load shedding, electricity will be limited. So many hours a day, there will be no electricity, power cut off. In Europe, you never thought of this thing. This thing last time happened was in World War I. Even World War II was not so impacted. Europe is suffering. And if Europe is suffering, mau tidak mau, the ripple effect will be there. If the tourists cannot come, you look at the tickets now, the air tickets. I don't know from Manila to here is expensive or no, but from Europe is getting more and more expensive. Insurance, this, that, a lot of things. So it will be impacted. The whole world will be impacted. We have to think. Okay, we pray that disruption will not be so bad, but we have to be realistic also in a way that we don't think positive, we have a positive attitude, how to face the situation positively. Masalah terbesar di Eropa sekarang adalah kalau tidak ada electricity, mau makan apa? Mau makan apa? Makanan kaleng. So economy is always like that. If somebody is losing money, somebody is making money. That's the basic principle of economy. So we all will be used to eating canned foods, which is going to create many sicknesses. Banyak sekali persoalan akan dimulai dengan itu. Kita harus hati-hati. We have to be very careful what we consume, how healthy it is. Now even the doctors are saying, have clean food. I'm very sensitive to anything that is not natural. This body is becoming more and more sensitive. She sent me this hydrogen water, yeah? And it didn't suit me. Banyak orang yang mendapatkan manfaat, ya. Tapi saya tidak mendapatkan manfaat, malah saya disentri. Diarrhea lebih parah lagi. And then I made study. What is water? H2O kan? Ini dibikin H3O. It's not natural. It's no more water. So, be natural. Live naturally. Kalau bisa kembali, saya lagi bahas intensif sekali dengan Lee, dan saya lagi pelajari sekali karena pengalaman pribadi dengan air. Memang air is very important. The fact is that semua air, oke, kalaupun sakit, hidrogennya mau ditambahin, fine. Cuma bisa minum 600 mili satu hari 3 gelas. Nggak boleh lebih dari itu. Dan 3 gelas itu juga harus langsung dibikin, nggak boleh taruh. Karena akan ada implikasi chemicalnya. Kita punya banyak hal yang kita ikuti tren, Tanpa kita pahami what is the problem, what is causing us problem. This world population has to come down. Was a big failure. So you be careful. Siapapun yang mulai big failure, mereka mengharapkan dunia akan mati, tidak mati. Your body has survived something like a bomb attack. Orang menginginkan penduduk dunia mati, tapi nggak mati. Kita somehow kita survive. Tapi dampak dari vaksin yang kita dapatkan 3 kali itu akan berlanjut. 6 bulan pertama adalah paling tinggi dampaknya, dan dampak ini seumur hidup. I'm not talking about conspiracy theory, I'm talking about what is really happening. So kita harus sebanyak mungkin go back to nature, Mother Nature. Seperti dulu orang tua kita sendiri masak air sampai mendidih. Masak air, minum. Taruh di kendi yang terbuat dari tanah liat. Di Jawa, di Sunda dulu kan, di mana-mana begitu kan. Diendepin 1 malam, minum air itu. Make life as natural as possible. Karena Mother Nature, you cannot do anything against her. Badan kita bisa rusak karena badan kita adalah just a small, tiny particle of Mother Nature. Kalau kita bisa menyelaraskan diri dengan Mother Nature, that's a battery. Ya, battery yang inexhaustible, nggak bisa habis. Prana kita terbatas. Kalau kita bisa plug in ke Mother Nature, you don't need anything else. Tapi, kenapa saya bilang konspirasi sedang terjadi? Semua barang-barang yang sedang ditawarkan kepada kita itu untuk menjauhkan kita dari Mother Nature. Bukan untuk mendekatkan kita. This is our responsibility. To bring back whoever comes here and you become our agents, go back and spread this gospel that Mother Nature is abundant. Kita selaraskan diri kita dengan Mother Nature, kembali kepada old style of living, makan secukupnya. Saya sekarang lagi sejak sebulan setengah, konsumsi beras saya, nasi, 4 sampai 6 sendok makan. And I can survive. So these are the 2 things, sustainability, self-sustainability, dan tadi hal pertama yang saya jelaskan juga, kembali juga ke Mother Nature. With those thoughts, I like you to think about these things and come up with some ideas, practical ideas yang kita bisa lakukan. Ya? Oke, terima kasih. Thank you.